Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Destiny, and today I am just going to be doing just a small review. I promise I'll try my best not to make this video too long, but I just wanted to do a quick video talking about some more Japanese products. So I'm mainly just talking about the wash day products. I did not purchase anything else from the line, but yeah, so if you are interested in this video, please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm back, and so now I want to say excuse me and I apologize if you're hearing a lot of noise. For some reason my neighbors upstairs, because we live on the first floor, my neighbors upstairs are so loud. I have no clue what they're doing, so if you hear like thumping and stuff, I promise it's not me. Just to get back to it, I hope everyone's having a great, blessed day. This video, I just mainly want to do a fun review. So I did a previous video talking about some other Japanese products, and that was pretty much the Honey Cinnamoroll line. And when I say I love that line, because it comes with a shampoo, a conditioner, and oil. Yeah, I wanted to review some more Japanese product because these Japanese products really had me in the chokehold. Like, I'm super impressed with, even though they're not necessarily made for like black hair, or they're made for mainly Asian hair. Asian people have like really thick, silky looking, shiny looking, beautiful hair. So they're not really made for curly hair or black hair or even white hair. They're not really made for other ethnicities, but we are welcome to use them, of course. I can tell that they definitely, from the experience of the Honey line, I definitely can tell that they definitely prioritize shininess in the hair, healthiness in the hair, clean hair, and moisturized hair. So I do notice those things. Starting out with my wash day, I did use 2 other prior shampoos before I went in with this shampoo. I'm not really going to show those shampoos because they're just not important for the video, but I usually do shampoo 3 times. So this was my last step shampoo, and I was not sure if this line that I have right here, because this is basically like the whole line, this line I have right here, it is called Tsubaki. So I have the shampoo, the conditioner, and a deep conditioner. And so the Tsubaki line, you can find these very easy on Amazon. Like, if you go on Amazon and type in Tsubaki shampoo and conditioner, they pop up pretty quickly. And the most well-known line, from what I know, is the one I've seen is the red line. We'll probably insert right here some different lines. They have so many. They have a red one. This is their black one. They have a gold one. They have a blue one. So it's so many lines, but you can find them on Amazon, and they are actually pretty affordable. I can't remember exactly. I think for these 2, they were like $30 range, which isn't bad at all. And then the deep conditioner was like $15-20, which is not bad at all. So a very affordable price range on Amazon. And so when I was in the shower, got the black line, as you can see. So I just chose this line because I like the look of the black. It does say on here is the Tsubaki Premium X Intensive Repair Shampoo. So it says that it on all of them. So I think this line is meant to go together because they do all smell the same. I don't know how the other Tsubaki products smell, like their main line, which is the red one. If you look on the back of it, it does have pretty much all Japanese writing, so there's no English on the back, nothing at all. It does say on the back 490 milligrams. That's the only thing really in English. Everything else is in Japanese right there. So can't really understand it, but when I hopped in the shower with this, it's a pretty good container. So this shampoo and conditioner, it'll last you a while, which I love. Just smelling the product. So the shampoo, it's not clear. It's more of a pearlescent looking shampoo, and it's very thick and creamy. So putting this in my hair, I was pretty impressed. And I did realize when it was lathering super well. And I realized that this shampoo is more on the clarifying side. So it's gonna clean your hair really well. I do believe this shampoo most likely has sulfates in it. And I do believe that the And Honey line I use most likely has sulfates in it as well. So, but this one is like, it's gonna clean your hair. Like you may only need, just depending on how dirty your hair is, you may only need to use this one time when you wash your hair. The smell of it is so good. It has such a good smell. And I can't really put my finger exactly on the smell, but it's like a fruity floral scent, and it's pretty strong too. It like, even if you're really not trying to pay attention to the smell, it has a very strong smell to it. So I love the smell of this shampoo, and the conditioner and the deconditioner smell exactly the same. But this shampoo lathers so well. It cleaned my hair like it. This is gonna go in with my clarifying shampoos. And when I say I love this shampoo, like I thought I really liked the Bread shampoo because that's my go-to clarifying shampoo, and then the Way Detox shampoo is also one of my favorite clarifying shampoos. This one beats that one. This is probably one of my favorite shampoos. It smells so good. It cleans my hair, and after I rinse it out, my hair feels so fresh. It feels so clean, and it still has a really good scent to it. So like, they did their thing with this line. Now, talking about the intensive repair part, I do believe that it feels more moisturizing. When they're saying intensive repair, the shampoo is not drying. It's not drying at all. So honestly, it feels so good on the hair. I highly suggest this shampoo, honestly, because of how good it is. Like, I would honestly give this shampoo a 10 out of 10 because it's just that good. Like, I love this shampoo. This is one of my favorite shampoos. Like, if I never had to buy another shampoo and just had to use one, it would probably be this one because it gets the job done by itself. It cleans my hair. It felt moisturizing. Like, it's all around good. It's all around good. This is going to be in rotation. I love this shampoo. Okay, and then the next product I went in with during my shower was of course, the Maxine conditioner, which is the Tsubaki Premium Egg Intensive Repair Conditioner Treatment. And again, if you look on the back, it's all Japanese. It is the exact same size as the conditioner, of course. I like to use conditioner. You know, me being a curly girl, most curly girls, we have to decondition because our hair really needs it, because our hair is full of protein, so it gets dry quicker. So we need to bring that moisture back more often. So, but when I say I put this on my hair, and my hair was already pretty dried out, and it wasn't because of the shampoo. My hair gets pretty dried out because I shampooed 3 times. So 2 clarifying shampoos kind of on top kind of dried it out a little more. But like I said, that shampoo still left my hair moisturized. And also I forgot to say, I was able to detangle a little bit with that shampoo also. But when I got to this conditioner, it instantly, like it did what it was supposed to do. It instantly like got into my hair, soaked into my hair. It instantly moisturized my hair. I can tell there's silicones in it. I can definitely tell that because it had that instant feeling of moisture. I don't mind silicones. I use heat on my hair, so I need silicones. So, but this conditioner is good. Like, this definitely reminds me of the And Honey conditioner, because if you notice, it says conditioner, but it also says treatment. So it feels like a treatment. Like, if you left it in your hair long enough, it would basically be a deconditioner. It's a deconditioner in a conditioner bottle. I was able to detangle my hair with this, my hair felt so good. It felt moisturized, it felt nourished. Like, I love that feeling. Creamy looking, like it looks like a normal conditioner, but it has a nice texture. It's nice and thick. I love the smell of it. Like, I love the smell of these so much. I'd be willing to buy like the perfume if they had a perfume, because I love the smell of these. But so highly suggest this conditioner. Also, is you really, if you buy the shampoo, most likely the conditioner comes with it. So you're not using a lot of this conditioner. It's gonna immediately penetrate your hair, especially if you're in a shower washing your hair. It's going to immediately penetrate your hair. It's gonna immediately get in your hair. It's gonna soften your hair. I can't speak much about the intensive repair part. Something's repairing your hair. It does not necessarily have to be strengthening. So I feel like it has that good balance of it nourishes the hair, because if it's nourishing the hair, it's adding moisture back in, but also giving the hair basically what it needs, which is moisture and nourishment. So yeah, I give this conditioner also a 10 out of 10. So this shampoo and conditioner set is so good. I highly suggest it. I did go in and use the matching deep conditioner for the line, Tsubaki Premium X Repair Mask. So it comes in this pretty gold container, and from what you can see, you can't really see it, but right here it's all in Japanese. So actually this one, they put a sticker on there that has English instructions. Hair mask is 180 grams hair treatment. And so it gives the ingredients in English, which is water, glycerin, there's glycerin in it, dimethicone, royal jelly extract. Okay, it has silicones in it, absolutely, which I figure. So just keep that in mind. If you don't like silicones, if you don't use heat as often, just keep that in mind with using all these products. Open the container. It has a really pretty presentation, really good plastic, high quality looking container, and there's the conditioner right there. So, but when I use this in the shower, my hair was already moisturized thanks to that conditioner right there. But when I say I put in this, it was like butter. It was like butter in my hair. It felt so good. I pretty much was working through my hair. Felt good. I was loving how it smelled in my hair. I was really enjoying my shower because I gotta say, it was a good wash day. Every time I use these Tsubaki hair products, it's a good wash day. They feel luxury. They don't have the luxury price, and these might be luxury in Japan, I don't really know, but they're good and they smell so good. I'm a sucker for smell good products. Now, if you're sensitive to smell or you don't like strong smells in your shampoo and conditioner, you may or may not like it, but I really enjoyed this wash day. So this deep conditioner, I put it in my hair. I left it in my, so I put on a shower cap. I left it in my hair for, I would say, usually I leave it in my hair for about 30 minutes to an hour. I can't remember exactly how long I left it in, but when I rinsed out my hair felt so good, and it still had the deep conditioner smell in it. Like, I know I rinsed it all out because, you know, it didn't have any like filmy feeling on my hair. I know I rinsed it all out, but my hair still smells so good. It felt so good. My hair was good to go. My hair, as you can see, it is defined. Like, all I had to do was put on my leave-in conditioner and style. Like, my hair was good to go. 10 out of 10 for this deep conditioner. 10 out of 10 for all these products. I will be keeping these products in rotation. I will be buying them again. So highly suggested. Then I went in, I used my Airstrait. So a video is gonna be coming up on that one. I don't know if I've already posted that one, but I did do a review using my Airstrait. And so I'll say my thoughts on that in another video, but just know after I was done blow drying my hair with the Airstrait, and then I flat ironed with my GHD Chronos flat iron. After I did all that, put all that heat in my hair. My hair looks so shiny, it looks so good. Especially the next day, my hair smells so good. I've never had products that are just wash day products keep the smell in my hair way after I wash it out. But when I say these products made my hair so shiny, so soft, and they kept a smell in my hair, yeah, I love these products. They're literally my favorite. All right, so that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share if you care. But until next time, bye.